Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these delicious vegan burger patties. So I start by soaking the lentils overnight and pressure cooking them for 10 to 15 minutes. Along with the lentils, add the necessary amount of water, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Then pressure cook for 15 to 20 minutes. You will need some chopped onions and chopped mushrooms. Once the lentils have cooked through, drain them and mash them. Heat a pan and add some olive oil. Once the pan is hot, add the onions and the mushrooms and saute for 5 to 8 minutes. Now for seasonings, we'll need some salt, pepper, chili flakes, garlic powder, onion powder and Worcestershire sauce. Saute everything until everything is combined well. Then add in your drained lentils and mash the mixture until it's all mixed together. Once the mixture is done, then cool the mixture, then shape the patties and keep them on a paper lined tray. Heat a pan with very little oil and then sear the burger patties for 2 minutes on each side or until it's browned well. Now for preparing the burgers. For the burger buns, you can check out my previous video. I'll have the link on the right side or down in the description. It's a whole wheat burger bun. And here in the mayo, I'm using a spicy mayo, both on the bottom bun and the top bun. Next, add the burger patty. Top it with some lettuce, some thinly sliced tomatoes, pickled onions or just regular sliced onions. Then sprinkle some salt on top and cover with the top bun, and it's ready to serve. I hope you liked the video. Do leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel as well.